Today we are doing something a little different in the shop. We're swapping the coasters for some pure chaos. I'm a huge fan of Looney Tunes' World of Mayhem, so I decided to laser this custom coaster for my clan, Bay Area Toons. The detail on this wood came out sharp, just look at that line work on the logo. But there's a reason I'm posting this today. War prep starts Tuesday morning. Consider this a friendly nudge to the Bay Area Toons crew. Get those tunes donated on time and set your defenses. We need everyone ready to go if we're going to take this win. As usual, we're burning on our favorite wooden coasters today. I'm still looking into some new materials to try out, maybe slate or tile soon, but for this Mayhem design, the wood grain really gives it that classic cartoon vibe. If you play World of Mayhem, drop your favorite team combo in the comments. I'll see you on the battlefield Tuesday.